没有？这个模具
They have a hose.
这个模具有个
They have a
槽，
hose. Okay.
对着里面有个销，
And then it
那里
must
面
be
你从那里面拍，
ensure.
从这里面里面有个销，这个槽对着这个销，看不看得到？
It is the same. Come.
看不到吧？对啊，对着这个销，拍不到不？拍不到。那你跟他解释一下。
拿出来。
拿出来啊！
拿出来。
我打随便打。
拿不出来。
我拿得出来。好。这个槽。
This hole.
对着这里
This
面。
hole must be figure confirm the same space inside.
这里面一个销。
Like this part.
从这头看。
Like that part.
对。
See?
对，还差。
This part.
对，真的。
This part.
对。
It must be very easy go inside and then confirm.
好，然后现在是模具机头是热的嘛，停一下，等一下，然后拿这个。
And then the machine was
模
heating.
具热了之后啊，拿这个怎么的？
When the machine is heating, and then use these tools to get some strength, but it's very slowly speeds
那么顶一下，看模具出
strength,
来了，
and
看到没有？
then use these tools to put these dies go outside,
下不来。
and then if cannot go outside, and then it's okay.
下不来就 OK 了。然后这个模具，
And then these dies,
放进去就可以了，
and then just put inside is okay.
放进去就可以了。
But it must be very easy. Put inside, and then confirm,
然后再把压盖，
and then
再把这个挡模的压盖，
close these ports.
对，不要拴得太紧啊。
But not too much ties.
推一圈，
Get
推两圈。
a one cycle and two cycles back, and then down.
从这里看，有一个4毫米的5毫米的距离。
And then you from here to
有
see
个4毫米到5毫米的距离。
from this port, this platform
对。
go inside. Platform still have 4 to 5 millimeters,
就可以了。然后
and then it confirms okay.
机器交流一挤压，模具会往前面，往前面。
When the machine is coming running, and then the PVC will be go outside, and then have the strength make the dies go
对，
on that side,
就这么拍
and then down. Thank you.